exact note for today, shorter conversation, but we will see you after the market close. Let's start recapping what's been a choppy day of trade, but one where the bias was very, very clearly negative. There's no taking away from that. And you have financials to blame for it. There's been weakness on the PSU side of the market, and metal stocks haven't had too much of a great showing today. And we're ending practically at the lowest point of the day, so that's never a very reassuring sign. Anyway, let's talk about the Nifty then and where the pressure came in from. BPCL is one stock that's down about 3.5%. Then the financials, as I've been saying, HDFC Bank, we've discussed it in great detail, but Shriram Finance, Bajaj Finance, quite a few of these other names, HDFC Life. So financials across the board, not just banking, not just this one stock. There was weakness all around. State Bank of India as well on the way down. Some of the auto stocks have seen profit taking. Case in point would be a Hero Moto, which has been down. Then I spoke about metals being weak. So Tata Steel was another name on the way down. And Hindalco, despite the numbers looking in line, as Nigel pointed out, stocks ending lower, about 1.5% on the low side. Very clear move to defensives in today's action. Titan, Apollo Hospitals, Dr. Reddy's, Tata Consumer, Britannia, Nestle. You get the drift. Basically, a rush to safety is what we saw today.
And Titan has been an underperformer. Year to date, Titan is down 8%. So today, some buying has gone over there. And Apollo Hospitals, remember, reports numbers. The street is expecting a pretty good quarter, 15% top-line growth, some margin expansion. So Apollo Hospitals was one of the big movers. Outside of the index, the mid-cap index was down 0.8%, negative advanced decline ratio, one stock gaining for 3 in the red. Top losers include in Aarti Industries. In fact, it took down some of the other chemical names like Naveen Fluorine also. So Aarti Industries was down close to about 15% other than that, you had cuts coming through in a MapMy India, a rate gain, a Metro Brands. These were stocks which were under pressure. Indus Stars was down nearly 3%. On the way up, Senco deserves mention, Inox Wind. But not to forget, right, the two big listings of the day, FirstCry and Unicommerce.
Well, blockbuster listings, and I think it's 3 out of 3 in the last 5 sessions or so. The IPOs have listed in style. A few more names that did well from the broader markets. Sarda Energy, well, the street is hoping that SKS Power asset that was currently at the NCLT, they get the go-ahead out there because there were numerous bidders. So we wait by for confirmation on that, but the stock ended at the high point of the day with a gain of around 7.5%. Stovecraft as well, up 7.7%, one of the underperformers that have done well, post positive commentary, and Inox Wind as well, another one that's been rock solid. For the time being, though, we'll wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. You stay with us. Markets Forward comes up next.